With campaigns, subscribers can begin receiving your campaign based on the OnSubscribe trigger you select. You can have multiple campaigns created using a combination of different OnSubscribe triggers. When creating a campaign, click the OnSubscribe campaign trigger, and then from the drop-down menu you can select the source. This is basically telling this campaign to pull in subscribers from this particular source. You can even add multiple sources so there can be multiple ways subscribers are coming into any one particular campaign. You can also trigger campaigns based on tags. In this example, we'll choose to apply a tag to the end of one particular campaign, and then use the tag applied trigger to link this next campaign to it. And we do that by simply entering in the last tag that we added.